What's up, guys? Welcome back to Boost Brothers Garage. In this episode, we are going to be installing this Lamborghini Gallardo header on a Porsche with a Volkswagen engine. Stay tuned. If you haven't seen my previous videos about the 07K swap we're doing for the Porsche 944, then you likely won't have any idea what I'm talking about. So let me show you. This is a Porsche 944, and so is this. This one has the stock engine. This one is the development car for the Volkswagen 07K swap, which is a 5-cylinder, and it just so happens to be basically half of a Lamborghini Gallardo V10. They share the same cylinder head, bore and stroke, and a number of other things. It's a pretty sweet little engine, especially once you add boost. The turbo manifold you see on there now is the Spa cast turbo manifold. The turbo will sit down here. It's meant for a Garrett G25 660, wastegate here, etc. I decided to go a slightly different route, however. It came to my attention that the Lamborghini Gallardo header, with the modification of just one of the mounting holes right here, will fit not only the 07K, but it'll fit the 07K in the 944 chassis. Because I'm going to be doing my build in stages, the first stage being NA and the second stage being turbo, I need a header that's going to work for both. Beyond that, I think it's going to be really cool to have that turbo sitting front and center, and I just really like the look of this header. The first thing I want to do, however, is get this ugly heat shield off so that I can see what I'm working with. The heat shield is two pieces of what I'm assuming is stainless that are bent over each other and then spot welded in place. So the best method I can think of to get this apart is to just use the cutoff wheel and just cut this whole seam. There we go. Well, doesn't look like it's gonna come apart until we do these right here. And those are gonna be a little more difficult. I made a mess and completely dulled out a drill bit, but I think I've got it. I hope. There we go. It is a nice heat shield though. I'll give them that much. This is what was hiding underneath. Surprisingly, some of the welds on the collector are pretty fucking ugly. I did nick this mounting flange right there as I was cutting the heat shield off, but that doesn't matter because I'm gonna be chopping this off right here and adding a V-band. That way I can run my naturally aspirated exhaust or mount my turbo directly to that, whatever I want to do. However, before we test fit it to the car, I want to throw it in the blast cabinet and see how much cleaner I can get it. I got it halfway cleaned up. You can see the difference here where I have sandblasted it and over here where I have not. Unfortunately, my dog was going absolutely nuts from all the noise from the air compressor. He was shaking, so figured I'd finish this next time I'm at the shop and he's not here. But now, let's test fit this thing. I knew it wasn't gonna fit on the first go around, but it's really close. We're just gonna have to clearance one hole. But it does fit the body of the car, and man, it looks good in here. Even in its half sandblasted state. It's gonna be absolutely perfect for mounting the turbo. We'll chop this off right here, throw in the V-band. I can run the NA exhaust. I can slap the turbo right here. It's gonna be gorgeous. For now though, I've marked where I need to clearance for that last stud. We're gonna do that and then we're gonna try it again. Done, I hope. Now for the moment of truth. Oh, yeah!
Like a glove.
I am really, really happy with the way that looks. I mean, it's like it was meant to be. That's that, guys. Lamborghini header, Porsche, Volkswagen engine. Time to celebrate.